welcome back to my channel Rithika's World. Thank you for all who subscribe my channel and encouraged me. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do make sure to subscribe my channel. And today's video is about me and my brother celebrating Rakhi festival. So let's get started.
Yeah, done for the day.
Where are my gifts?
Let me get them, but on one condition. If you share your toys with me, I will get them.
Okay, I'll think about it later. First, you get me the gifts.
What is the first letter in Rakhi?
The first letter is R.
R for rose.
Thank you, it is so beautiful. You brought so many gifts. Why don't you give me them right now?
You see, wait.
Okay.
What's the next letter?
The next letter is A.
A for an orchid.
Oh my gosh. So colorful. I love it.
What's the next letter?
The next letter is K.
K for Kit Kat.
Oh, Kit Kat is my favorite chocolate. I love it.
What's the next letter?
The next letter is H.
H for handbag.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful and glittery. I love it.
What's the next letter?
The next letter is I.
I for I love you, Akka.
I love you too, Tammudu.
Wait, there's one more gift. This one's a surprise gift.
Wow, what can it be?
Open it.
Let's open. Purple. Oh my gosh, a nail polish kit! A nail polish kit! OMG, a nail art kit. Thank you, Chinnu.
You're welcome.